What is Blast One's Performance 3 promise? Performance 3 can best be described as an unexpected level of success caused by implementing small improvements across the system that ultimately adds up to massive improvement in productivity and profit. Now think of it this way. A typical blasting setup involves a system of interconnected equipment. And if you could simply improve the efficiency of each component 1%, the result would yield an overall efficiency improvement of nearly 11%. But what if you could also improve on the efficiency and productivity of the blaster through increased know-how and physical comfort? And what if you could also improve upon the abrasive used to reap further improvements? Well, as you can see, each small improvement in this chain improves the overall outcome. But what if, instead of 1% gains across the system, you were able to facilitate even greater improvements, resulting in productivity gains as high as 900%? Now, this is where people generally get confused, and that's why so few companies ever implement this strategy. You see, the overall improvement is not simply a sum total of these various improvements. If this was the case, you'd still have a valuable gain in your productivity. For example, a 20% gain means you can accomplish in 4 days what typically requires 5, and that's pretty impressive. But that's not how this math works. Like compounding interest, each of these improvements builds on the previous improvements that came before it. And so the outcome is not linear gains, but exponential. Now, once you understand this, the strategy of small improvements is like an ingenious secret that your competition is most likely never going to implement. They are left believing 1 to 5% efficiency improvements have a very minor effect on the overall project, when the truth is it's like a quantum leap in productivity. That is the power of Blast One's Performance 3 strategy. And in this video series, we're going to share exactly which small improvements will reap the greatest gain to your overall operation, giving your company a lot more money and a newfound competitive advantage. The result of Performance 3 is a faster, safer, cleaner project, which ultimately explodes your company's bottom line profit. And the only requirement is implementing 16 small but meaningful changes to your blasting setup. We're about to show you each step in this transformational process. And it all starts with the one invisible ingredient that permeates each and every linked component of the system's chain: compressed air.